See, exercise 5.1, right? AP 5.1. Get different marker, man.
Yes.
Exercise 5.1. Here's the question. In which of the following situation does the list of number involved make an arithmetic progression and why? Asking the whatever question is given that is having arithmetic progression or not. मतलब कि वो अगर वो arithmetic progression है या नहीं, पहला जो तुझे फाइंड करना है. What is it find?
Arithmetic progression
है या नहीं. अगर है तो क्यों है? If it is there then it is why. Question is this. Getting? So just read the question and see what is saying. Question number 1. The taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional. Understood the question?
Yes, sir.
What is saying? First fare is rupees 15. Correct. Next, every extra kilometer, it is plus 8, plus 8, plus 8, plus 8. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Means this is for 1 kilometer, this is for 2, this is for
3,
4, 5.
6.
Yes, na? Means if you add, how much you'll get? This is first will be 15. First will be 15. 15 plus 8, 23. Second will be 23. Third will be 31,
Yes, sir.
39,
Yes, sir.
40, 47.
47.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So for being an AP,
AP.
what is the things? First thing is what?
Found the D formula.
Common difference should be same. Common difference is same. And here common difference is same and here increasing by 8 only, right? So anyhow common difference is same only.
Yes, sir.
So it is in AP. Because here if you find the difference here, common difference is 8. Common difference is 8. Common difference is
8.
8. Remember now how to find the common difference?
Yes, sir.
How?
D A1.
Second term minus first term.
Sir.
Always. A1, A2 you may get forget. A2 minus A1, A2 minus A2 you will get forget, right? Second minus first. Correct na?
Yes, sir.
Bigger means don't remember like bigger minus a smaller. If you remember bigger minus a smaller, again it will be problem. So second term minus first term. One I am showing D is equal to 23 minus 15 is 8. If you find D here,
D.
31 minus 23 again 8. Every will get you same.
Yes, sir.
So this is in
AP.
AP. This is in
AP.
AP. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Just simply bacha question is there now. हाँ. हम लोग के सर इसको बोलते थे चड्डी बड्डी क्वेश्चन. Don't ask your chaddi buddy doubt. Question number 2. The amount of air present in a cylinder when the vacuum pump removes 1 by 4. Amount of pressure is there 1 by 4 of the air remaining in the cylinder. Of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Then saying it is in AP or not. It is in AP or not. So think before in the cylinder gas was X because 1 by 4 they have removed. Yes or no? So let total gas be X. Total gas be
X.
X. Total gas or total air be X. How much they are removing? 1 by 4.
4.
They are removing 1 by
4.
4. So this one you can assume first term.
Yes, sir.
This one I can assume first term. Now of this one 1 by 4th part is removing. This one 1 by 4th part is removing. So 1 by 4th part means X minus 1 by 4X. X minus 1 by 4 X. How much will get? Take the LCM. LCM is 4. So 4X minus X is equal to 3X by 4. This we can assume as A2 because this will come second time.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Next again they will remove.
Yes, sir.
Correct na? Whatever remain of that 1 by 4 again they will remove.
Yes, sir.
So see how I'm saying. This is I have written for A2. This I'm writing for
A3.
third term. Whatever remain. How much remain? 3x by 4.
Yes, sir.
How much remain?
3x by 4.
Of this. Of
This. 3 by 4x.
into 1 by 4.
Yes.
They will remove in next time.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Or yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So simplify here. How much will get? 3x by 4 minus 3x by 16 minus 3x by
Yes, sir.
16. So if you take LCM, LCM is 16, 4 4 is 16
Yes, sir.
and 4 3 is 12
12.
minus 3x is equal to 9x by 16, 9x by 16. So for the fourth term, whatever we get of that 1 by 4 of that, so this one minus 9x by 16 into 1 by 4. Yes or no? What the question I've told? In every time they are removing 1 by 4 part of the gas air, right? So 1 by 4 we have removed. So how much will get here? 9x by 16 minus 9x by 64. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So LCM will be 64. LCM will be
64.
how you find it? See, in 16 table 64 will come, right?
Yes, sir.
So if it's coming in table, directly LCM, right? So 16 4 ja and 9 4 ja 36x minus 9x. Yes na?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 9 minus 6, sorry, 6 minus 9, right?
Yes, sir.
25
By.
pakka
Yes, sir.
x by 64. So actually 3 terms is more than enough, but one more we have find it.
Yes, sir.
Correct na? Now try to find A2 minus A1
Yes, sir.
common difference. Now try to find common difference.
Difference.
A2 minus
A1.
A1, second term minus first term. Acha. So what is second term? 3 by 4.
Yes, sir.
3 by
4.
3x by 4 minus x. Correct na?
Yes.
How much will get here? 4. 3x minus 4x is equal to minus x by 4. Minus x by
4.
4. Acha. One more we will find. A3 minus A2. A3 minus
A2.
if both place came same, then we will check for the next, else we will not at all check only.
Yes, sir.
Yes na? So A3 is how much? Minus 9 by 16.
Yes, sir. 9x.
9x by
16.
and A2 is how much? A2 is how much?
3x by
4.
4.
3x by
4.
4. LCM is 16. LCM is
16.
16. So here 9x 4 4 the 16.
Yes, sir.
4 4 ja and 4 3 ja 12.
12.
So here become minus 3x by 16. Minus 3x by
By 16.
16. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Sir.
So now is it same?
No, sir.
No. So this is not an AP. Not an
AP.
getting?
Yes, sir.
Question number 3. Question number
3.
3. Chalo. Saying cost of digging a well. Cost of digging a well after every meter of digging when it cost rupees 150. Rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50. Rises by rupees 50 means saying first meter 150. First meter 150. Next 1 meter plus 50.
Plus 50.
Next 1 meter.
Plus 50.
Next 1 meter
50.
plus 50. Next 1 meter.
Plus 50.
So this you can see this is in AP or not.
Yes, sir. AP.
If increasing the same terms means it is in AP. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If you want to see the terms, so AP will be 150, 200,
250.
250,
300.
300. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Common difference will be 50. So this is in AP.
Yes, sir.
Problem. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Achha, next. Question number 4. The amount of money in account every year when 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. 8% per annum. Acha, see, what is saying here? Here saying CI, compound interest. Here saying
CI.
compound. What is the formula for CI?
CI.
What is saying, man? I have not even told. You have learned in the 8th standard, not in the 10th standard. Compound interest.
Common distance.
Compound.
Compound.
See, what is given first? Amount is given how much? 10,000. Amount is given 10,000. Rate is given how much?
10,000.
8%. Rate is given
8%.
8%, right? See, so amount is given and rate is also given, right?
Sir.
And time is asking what will in the first year, what will in the second year, what will in the third year.
Yeah.
Correct. And whatever amount we will get, that one we will check is it is in the AP or
Not.
not. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Acha. So we are taking time is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So first year we are finding. First
Finding.
year. Correct. Actually, this is principal. So what is the formula? 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 to the power time. To the power time means P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power T.
Yes, sir.
This is the formula for compound interest. What is formula?
Compound interest.
P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power T.
T.
Correct. If you're not remembering, you can able to write it. So see how much you'll get here. So this is 10,000. Yes, na?
Yes, sir.
Here 108 by 100. 108 by
100.
this get cancelled.
Yes, sir.
So 108 00.
Yes, sir.
Acha, if you find for second year, so how much you'll get? 10,000. 1 plus 8 by 100 to the power 2. This is the time.
Yes, sir.
This is the
Time.
time. How much you'll get? 10,000. 108 by 100. 108 by 100. Because it is a square, so again 108 by 100.
100.
Yes or no? Squares are written 2 times. So 202, 20, 202,
20.
20. 108 into 108, how much you'll get? Multiply.
Sir.
This much you will get. Getting? Are yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Now find for the third year. 10,000 into 108 by 100 to the power 3. Direct I am writing. Because just power only will change, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Acha, next. So by 100 into
100.
202, 20, 202, 20. Still this much multiplication remaining, right? So anyhow value will come too much big.
Yes, sir.
Here value will come too much big. And if you find the common difference, this and this and this and this, it will not at all same.
Yes, sir.
Not at all
Same.
same. So this will not be in
AP.
AP. So directly I am writing not an AP. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So this was the 4 question over. Now come to question number 2. Question number
2.
2. Copied?
No, sir.
Question number 2. Question number
2.
2. Question is saying, write the first 4 term of the AP. First 4 term of the AP when A and common difference is given. So first one is saying A is equal to 10. D is equal to also 10. A is equal to 10 and D is equal to also 10. So see, actually this kind of question will not at all come in exam. This is a full easy question. If come also, it is having with formula.
Yes,
Correct. So here we will go fast. Correct na?
Yes, sir.
So if first term is 10, second term will be 10 plus 10.
Sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 20. Or yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Again,
30.
30, again,
40,
again,
50,
again.
60.
No need to think more.
Yes,
This all thing you know, right? We should add the D. 2. Question number 2. A is equal to minus 2 and D is equal to 0. A is equal to minus 2, D is equal to 0. How 0 is possible? But given means given, what we can do, right? Acha. So what will A1? Minus 2. Minus 2 plus 0. Or minus 2 plus 0. Again minus 2 only. Nothing increasing, right? So next term also will be. Next term also will be. Next term also will be. But this will not be in the AP.
AP.
Correct. This term not will be in the AP because if you subtract minus 2, it will convert to 0. And anyhow D is 0, right?
Yes, sir.
So this will AP or not? Common difference can't be 0, right? But given means given. What we can do? Leave. So question number 3. Question number A is equal to 4 and D is equal to minus 3. A is equal to 4, D is equal to minus 3. So see, first term 4,
Yes, sir.
first term
4.
next term 4 minus 3 1
1.
Yes, sir.
minus 3. So see, 1 minus 3 how much will get?
1 minus
1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 I am talking.
minus 2.
Minus
2.
again minus 3
Yes, sir.
minus 5
Minus 5.
minus 3
Minus
8
minus 3
minus 9, 11.
11.
minus 3
Minus 14.
minus
14. 14.
getting.
Yes, sir.
So like this you get the terms. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next question number 4.
4.
A is equal to saying minus 1 and D is equal to saying 1 by 2. D is equal to
1 by
1 by 2. This become little bit calculative, right? So do it. So A1 is equal to minus 1.
Yes, sir.
A1 is equal to
Minus 1.
A2 is equal to A2 is equal to
Minus
in the, this one plus D.
plus D.
This one,
plus D.
so plus 1 by 2 plus acha A3 is equal to whatever you get in that plus 1 by 2.
Yes, sir.
So find here LCM is 2 minus 1 minus 2, right?
Yes, sir. Minus 2.
Minus 2 plus 1. So minus 1 by
2.
2. Yes na?
Yes, sir.
Now minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2
0.
0. Next A4 0 plus 1 by 2 is equal to
1 by 2.
plus 1 by 2.
Yes, sir.
A5 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 direct 1
0. 1, sir.
or half plus half 1. Yes or no? If asking A6 means 1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Done? Are you done or not?
Yes, sir.
Question number
3.
5.
Yes, sir.
A is equal to minus 1.25 and D is equal to minus 0.25. D is equal to minus 0.25.
2, 5.
Getting?
Yes, sir.
So this is also calculative, so we will
Calculate.
calculate. So A1 is equal to minus 1.25, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
A2 is equal to A1 plus D. One time I have written also, correct?
Yes, sir.
So A1 is how much? Minus 1.25 plus minus of 0.25. Yes or no? Means minus 1.25 minus 0.25.
2, 5.
Getting? Both are minus, we will add minus 5, 0 and here become
1.
1. Minus 1.50.
50. 50.
Which after decimal you should not read like 50 or 60.
50.
We should read the digits.
5.
Next, A3 is equal to A2 plus D.
Yes, sir.
A2 plus
D.
how much you get A2?
1.
Minus 1.50. Then plus into minus 0.25
2, 5.
means minus 1.75. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next, A4 is equal to minus 1.75 minus 0.25 is equal to 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? 2.00. Next, A5 is equal to 2 minus 0.25. Are yes or no? This is minus 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Minus 2 means minus 2.25. We get the 4 term.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Copied?
Yes, sir.
35 biscuit.
Question number
3.
3. Here question saying where question went. The following AP, write the first term and the common difference. In the AP saying write the first term and common difference. I'm not going to do all question because it's 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. This is question number 1. So this is your first term.
Yes, sir.
And D is equal to 1 minus 3 is equal to 2. Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Done. Question number 2. Question number
2.
leave. 2 I will not do because 2 is easy. Third I am doing. 1 by 3, comma 5 by 3, comma 9 by 3, comma 13 by 3. 13 by 3 dot dot dot. Correct, because 2 is just simple like this, so I have not did. Acha, so this is your first term. This is your first term. Now D will be what? 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3.
3.
So LCM is 3. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 by 3. Done? Yes or no?
Sir.
No need to find 2 times because question is given. It is in AP.
It is an AP.
It is in AP. If it is in AP, why to find 2 times, right?
Yes, sir.
It's just waste of time. Question number 4. Again, 0.6, comma 1.7, comma 2.8, comma 3.9. Like this is given. And this is in AP. So first term to no doubt only.
Yes, sir.
First term in doubt.
Yes, sir.
D is equal to 1.7 minus 0.6. So 1.1. Done? Subtraction of decimal you people know or not?
पता है सर.
देखो अगर नहीं पता है तो दूसरे टर्म का दिखाता हूँ. नेक्स्ट टर्म का जैसे 2.8 minus 1.7. This one we should do. Yes or no? So for addition or subtraction, decimal should be front.
Yes, sir.
Decimal should be front. If after decimal 3 digit, write 3 digit. After decimal 2 digit, write this side. But decimal should be front.
Yes, sir.
Correct na? So 7 minus 8. 8 minus 7 is 1 and here 1. So here also same, here also same. See?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Next. Question number 3 over. Question number 3 over. Question number 4 is saying, question number 4. Which of the following are AP? Which of the following are
AP.
AP? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write the 3 more terms. Write the 3 more terms. In this one, 15 question is there. So, few I am saying, few I will say. And remaining one is to do in the
Classwork.
home. Correct? So, question number 4. 1. What is saying? 2, 4, 6. Sorry, 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8. 16 dot dot dot. It is given like this. Given like this. Question remember, first asking, this is in AP or not?
Yes, sir.
This is in AP or not? If it is in the AP, write next 3 term.
Yes, sir.
Remember the question? Acha. So how to check this in AP?
Alternate.
For checking it is in AP, what we should do?
D formula we should first.
Or we should find D same.
Yes, sir.
If D is same, we can say it is in AP. If not same, it's not AP, right?
Yes, sir.
Acha. So first find D in this. See, what will D here? 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 2 is
4 minus 2.
next. 8 minus 4 is
4.
so common difference is not same. Or common difference is not same.
Yes, sir.
If it is not same means
It is not an AP.
not an AP. So not AP. Done.
Yes, sir.
Question number 2. Question number
2.
2. 2 comma 5 by 2 comma 3 comma 7 by 2. This one you should find. This one you should
Fine.
find. Now see, here d is equal to 5 by 2 minus 2, right? So LCM is 2. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next, one more time find. D is equal to 3 minus 5 by 2. 3 minus
5 by 2.
5 by 2. So LCM will be 6 minus 5 by 2. Again 1 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Both places came same.
Yes, sir. It
One-
is the AP.
One more time check. 7 by 2 minus 3 means 7 minus 6 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2.
Yes, sir.
So this is in
AP.
AP. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It is in
AP.
AP. Acha, question I've told, if it is in AP, you should write the next 3 term also.
Next 3 terms.
You should write next
Return.
3 term. How you write next 3 term? In this one, add the common difference.
Yes, sir.
In this one, add the
Common difference.
common difference. So I'm writing here, means this is A1, A2, A3, A4. A5 is equal to A4 plus D.
D.
A4 plus
D.
D. D how much you get? 1 by 2.
1 by 2. Yes, sir.
You can see D we get 1 by
2.
2. So 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So 8 by 2.
Yes, sir.
4.
4.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next, A6 is equal to A5 plus D. So 4 plus 1 by 2. So 4 to the 8 plus 1?
9.
9 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Getting now? Are you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
A7 is equal to 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So 10 by 2, 5.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Getting what to do?
Sir.
Chalo. Question number next. Third one I should do. But like this I'll do full man. Huh?
What, sir?
If 15 question is there,
15 question.
minus 1.2 comma
14 ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Oh, name is doing it.
means this much intelligent. How man? Saying like I should do 14, he will do 1, right? Of
ನಾನು ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು.
For this one, for this. I have no difference.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
see, are see here A2 minus A1, right? Are yes or no? Are seeing here?
Yes, sir.
So minus 3.2 plus 1.2
Yes.
minus into minus
Plus.
Yes.
plus. So subtract now. 2 minus 2 0. 3 minus 1 2.
2.
That two answer will be minus.
Yes, sir.
Answer we are getting 2
Mi-
minus 2.
Minus 2.
Answer we are getting
Minus 2.
minus 2. Acha, check next. Here
D is equal to minus.
plus 3.2.
Yes, sir.
Again we are getting 2 only. Minus 2.
Yes, sir.
So this is in AP.
AP.
This is in
AP.
AP. Acha, if it is in AP, because see here also 2 is increasing, here also 2 is increasing. Yes na?
Sir.
So next time also 2 should increase. So this is 1 2 3 4. So A5, right?
Yes, sir.
Minus 7.2 plus of minus 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? A4 plus D.
D.
Correct na? So minus 9.2
Yes, sir.
minus
9.2.
same like that. A6 will be minus 11.2. A7 is equal to minus 13.2.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Can you able to do? Or can you able to do?
Looks like doing, sir.
So question number 4 easy. Question number 5 now I will say. See, here you should find the D.
D.
Find the
D.
D. So this is A1, A2,
A3.
A3,
A4.
A4. A2 minus A1
Yes, sir.
means 3 root 2, sorry, 3 plus root 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Minus 3 is equal to root 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This 3 and this 3 get cancelled, root 2 remain.
Yes, sir.
Acha, next. Again D is equal to
Root.
A3, right?
Yes, sir. A3 minus A2.
A2. A3 is what? Speak.
A3 plus 2 root 2.
2 root 2 minus 3 plus
root 2.
root 2. Now see one thing. If you write in this format, I have given minus, but it is wrong. But it is
Wrong.
wrong. Why? You should put into a bracket.
Ah, sir.
Correct? And see where, if you open the bracket, what will happen? minus 3 minus root 2. Correct. If I not put bracket, it will be plus 1 ray. So in this situation, you will get wrong.
Yes, sir.
Getting or not? So हमें we should do the bracket. If you open the bracket, this both term will be minus.
Minus.
So this 3 to this 3 get cancelled. Yes or no? Now 2 root 2 minus root 2. Minus root 2?
Sir, root 2, sir.
No. This is 2 unit. This is 1 unit. This is 2 unit. This is
1 unit.
so answer will be just root 2. Just root 2. So see here also D is same. Here also D is
Same.
same. If it is same, this is in
AP.
AP. This is in
AP.
AP. So we should find the A5 means A4 plus D. A4 plus
D.
D. This is in AP, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm writing here. This is in
AP.
AP. You should write properly. It is in AP.
Yes, sir.
You should write the language, right? Acha. So A4 is what? 3 plus 3 root 2
Yes, sir.
plus root 2. Right now?
Yes, sir.
Means 3 plus 4 root 2. 3 plus
4 root.
same like that. A5 will be what? A6 will be what? 3 plus 5 root 2. Yes or no? A7 will be 3 plus 6 root 2. Every time we are increasing root 2, right? So we increased. Done or not?
Yes.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Next, see here. A1, A2, A3,
A4.
A4. True na?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Next. So D is equal to 0.22 minus 0.2. Yes or no? This is the decimal one, so only I have written. Getting? Acha, now. So how will subtract? I am doing the rough work here. 0.22. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I told decimal term should be front. So decimal here and here 2, here 0. If nothing, fill the values by 0. Yes or no? So here become 2 minus 0 is 2 and this become how much? 0.
0.
How much you get? 0.2.
2.
Getting?
Yes, sir.
Acha, next again find D. D is equal to 222 minus 0.22. Getting na? A3 minus
A2.
A2. This is A2 minus
A1.
A1. True?
Yes,
Now we require 222
Yes, sir.
and 22.
2. 0.
Yes na?
Yes, sir.
Now see. Subtract. Point. This is 2 0 0. How much you get here? D is equal to 0.002. 0 0. Is it both are same? No.
No, sir.
Both are not same. So this is not in
AP.
AP. Not in.
AP.
Not in.
AP.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Next. Do here. A1, A2, A3, A4. So first find D. So A2 minus A1. A2 minus
A1.
A1 means 2A minus A is A.
Yes, sir.
Is
A.
again we can say this is 3A minus 2A again A only.
Yes, sir.
4A minus A again A only. So this is in AP.
Yes, sir.
This is in
AP.
AP. Yes or no? So next 2 term, 3 term, 5A, 6A, 7A.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What it will be? 5A, 6A, 7A. Done? Problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir or no sir?
Yes, sir.
Problem is there.
No, sir. No problem.
हम पूछे समझ में आ गया तो क्या बोलोगे? हाँ सर आ गया.
आ गया.
या फिर यस सर मतलब प्रॉब्लम है ही अभी.
No, sir.
No, sir.
चलो तो यहाँ पे करो. D is equal to A square minus A. Yes or no? A1, A2, A3, A4. Yes or no? So A2 minus A1, A square minus A.
Yes, sir.
A square minus A. We can't subtract here because both are different variables. Both are different variables. We can't subtract. Just we can take common. So take here A minus 1. True?
Yes, sir.
One more time find. D is equal to A cube minus A square. A cube minus A square. We can take A square out, then become A minus 1. But see, is it same? This term and this term is same.
No, sir.
Here, A minus 1 is same. But A and A square, this is not same.
Yes, sir.
If it is not same, it is not in.
AP.
not in
AP.
AP. Getting? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Acha, next one. This is root 2. Root
2.
2. Root 8, how you can write? Can you write 2 into 4?
Yes, sir. 2 into 4.
2 into
4.
4 means, can you write 2 root 2?
4 into 2. Yes, sir.
Not get? Got or not?
2 into.
Wait, see here. Is it visible here? See?
Yes, sir.
Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Root 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. Yes, na?
Yes, sir.
Means this from this 2 one couple form is came out. So this is 2 root 2.
Yes, sir. Yes.
2 root 2. Next is 18. Next is
18.
18. So 2 into 3 into 3 means 3 root 2.
Yes, sir.
Next is 32 means 2 into
4.
6 4 into 4.
Yes, sir.
Yes, na?
Yes, sir.
So 4 root 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Getting na? These all thing actually remember. No need to think like next time. If we like in the next time in the life, root 18 came.
Yes, sir.
In the life, if root 18 came directly write 3 root 2.
Yes, sir.
No need to think more. Understood? So here become 2 root 2. What is it? What is here? Speak.
Sir.
3 root 2. What is here? 4 root 2. See, everywhere is same.
Yes, sir.
What is increasing? Plus 1,
Plus.
plus 1,
Plus 1.
plus 1. Means everywhere common difference is same.
Same. Yes, sir.
Common difference is
Same.
see na? Plus 1,
Plus 1.
plus 1, plus 1. So D is equal to plus 1. D is equal to
Plus 1.
so next term will be what? 5 root 2, then 6 root 2, then 7 root 2. Yes or no? Or yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Understood? Done?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, copied. Acha, one more thing. If we like you need to write in this format only. Write into this format. So what do you do? Make this one a square. Make this one.
Square.
So 5 5 ja 25.
25.
25 into 2. 25 into 2.
15.
50.
50.
36 into 2. 72. 49 into 2.
48.
Or 49 into 2.
That 90.
Or yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Getting? So it's become your 5th term, 6th term and 7th term.
Seventh term.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?